Reports are circulating that the prolific filmmaker, Tyler Perry, who offered the Duke and Duchess of Sussex a sanctuary during their tumultuous exit from royal life, is now demanding a staggering $140 million refund after their cooking show, with Love Meghan, allegedly flopped spectacularly. Sources close to the production paint a picture of chaotic sets, creative clashes, and ultimately, a product that failed to resonate with audiences, leaving Perry's substantial investment in tatters. The premise, initially touted as a heartwarming glimpse into the Sussexes' culinary adventures and their new life in California, quickly devolved into what insiders describe as a vanity project with little substance. Meghan's vision, one crew member revealed, was less about cooking and more about crafting a lifestyle brand. She insisted on showcasing expensive ingredients, designer cookware, and a level of curated perfection that felt utterly inauthentic. The viewers weren't interested in watching her arrange organic kale on a $500 platter, they wanted genuine connection, and that was sorely lacking. This disconnect, according to these sources, contributed significantly to the show's dismal ratings and subsequent cancellation after only a handful of episodes. Perry, known for his shrewd business acumen and unwavering support of those he considers family, reportedly invested heavily in the show, believing it would be a guaranteed success given the Sussexes' global appeal. However, the alleged financial fallout has strained their relationship to breaking point. Tyler feels betrayed, a source close to Perry's production company confided. He opened his home and his wallet to them, and this is how they repay him. He's a businessman, and he can't simply write off $140 million. He feels that Meghan's poor creative decisions directly caused the financial losses, and he is determined to recoup his investment. The legal ramifications of this alleged dispute could be significant. Perry's lawyers are reportedly preparing a lawsuit that alleges breach of contract, claiming Meghan's creative control led to a product that failed to meet the agreed-upon standards and audience expectations. The lawsuit may also delve into accusations of mismanagement, citing excessive spending on production elements that did not translate into on-screen success. This alleged legal battle, if it materializes, would undoubtedly cast a harsh spotlight on Meghan's business acumen and her ability to navigate the cutthroat world of Hollywood without the royal safety net. Adding fuel to the fire, whispers from within the production suggest that Prince Harry, initially enthusiastic about the project, gradually became disillusioned with Meghan's approach. Harry wanted a show that was relatable and fun, a source revealed. He envisioned something akin to a laid-back cooking show with genuine moments. But Meghan was fixated on creating a high-end, aspirational brand, and that created constant friction. This alleged discord between the couple, if true, could further complicate matters, potentially impacting their public image and future collaborative endeavors.